see if this thing is rare, just how me and Eli like it. Okay, that's raw. Look at that, unreal. B-break. We made it to camp. Time to shovel out a spot for the tent because it's enormous and get it set up. Put you guys on the table over here. Whew, there it is. It's enormous. Let's go check it out on the inside. I bought this tent on Amazon. It's an 8-man ice fishing tent. But it's a really good hot tent because it's enormous and super comfy. And I'm 6'6" tall. I got plenty of room to stand. So now we're gonna shovel snow around the skirt. Hope it doesn't get windy tonight, and then put all our stuff in. I accidentally grabbed Eli's pad. I mean, we have the same one. I'll link them on Amazon below. They're really thick, really comfy, and they inflate automatically. Just like that. Stove set up. Ugh. Well, here we go. All set up and quite cozy, if I might add. Oh, dang. Have you laid down, Eli? I think other than like I slept in it in my living room once.
Thumbs up.
This tent's huge. It's only 3:30. So we actually have some time before it gets dark. I think it said 32 degrees out when we got here. Pretty chilly. I think it's gonna get down into the teens tonight, maybe even lower. Stove should keep us warm.
Hot tent. Hot tent.
We're gonna try and find some firewood. We brought some dry stuff just in case, and there's a bunch of dead trees. So I think we're off to find some firewood now. Let's roll.
Big man with the red pine.
Big red pine needle guy. We're gonna get the fire going, and we need a lot of coals to cook the steak and lobster how I want. Got my ferro rod, got my steel. We're gonna get this fire going right. I guess this would be the ferro rod, because you shave the ferro rod into the fire, and then this is my steel. Flint, steel.
Oh my gosh, you almost fell into that thing.
Costco size bottle.
You're gonna erupt.
There we go. Oh, it's so warm. Who would have thought?
Oops. Oh, you got that dead piece.
Fire's going good. It's nice and warm. It's this has been in my jacket pocket. So inside my pocket is 60 degrees. It's 28 outside. I feel like it'll get pretty cold tonight. Now, if you're wondering why did we use all our firewood on that, it's because we've been collecting pallets and cutting them down for firewood. We got plenty of firewood for the stove at night. Eli also brought these like fire logs that burn nice and slow. So right before we go to bed, we'll put one of these in. Keep the fire smoldering for like 3 or 4 hours. So we should only have to stoke it once in the middle of the night, hopefully. But all these coals are gonna be to cook our dinner. Jeez. Fire's still burning down, nice and good. Sun just dipped down and it got real cold, so I'm gonna get my big Carhartt. Oh, so warm. That's gonna help a lot. Speaking of things that would help a lot, 86% of the people that watch these videos are not subscribed. If you could, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I am so close to 10K, and that's been a goal of mine for a long time. So if you like the videos, please hit subscribe. I'll put a QR code up on the screen for the next couple seconds. Scan it with your phone if you're watching on a TV. I would greatly appreciate it. It's time to get dinner started. So we're gonna rake over some coals. There's plenty now and they're really hot. Throw the ribeye and lobster on the fire. All right, we got a whole tomahawk. I dry brined this in the fridge overnight. Basically that means cover it in salt, put it on a wire rack and let it sit for 24 hours. With cuts this thick, the salt will penetrate all the way through. Just makes it taste a lot better. Then when I took it out, I covered it in some minced garlic and a little olive oil. Oh, smell that thing. Shout out you, Gunner, for getting me this for Christmas. It's one of my favorite gifts I've gotten in a long time. I'm gonna wrap the tomahawk part in tin foil. That way I can grab it. For the lobster, I didn't do anything. I just put it in tin foil and parchment paper. I bought this at Costco a few months ago. Put it in my freezer.
Smells like a lobster. I wonder why.
I wonder why. It's pre-cooked, so we're just gonna heat them up. Look at them. We'll let those cook for a while. We'll check in a little bit.
Put them down on your cutting board. Ooh.
So I made a table that can go on my tripod by putting a 1" by 1" Arca plate, screwing it into it, and then it mounts just like my cameras do. So I can have a level table wherever I go. For the lobster, I have a big chunk of butter. So I'm just gonna make a tinfoil boat. Grass-fed butter. I think to make sure I can get it out of the fire, because I don't have tongs or anything like that, I'm gonna set the boat on the shovel and then set the shovel on the coals. Like that. All right, we're gonna grab probably the lobster and butter first. That's okay. It's thumbnail time, boys and girls. All right, thumbnail's taken. We got to dig in. See if this thing is rare, just how me and Eli like it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's raw. Well, we got a good thumbnail at least, so I'm gonna go put this back on the fire. So apparently, when you cook them in the fire, they become really brittle.
That's a lie.
That was a lie. Oh, just kidding.
Maybe not.
Look at that.
Insanity.
Dunk it in a bunch of hot grass-fed butter.
Oh. Oh. Get some shell. Oh.
I forgot about the blade. Holy shit. This is unreal. Best lobster I've ever had. I don't eat it very often, but... Oh, extra crab. Is that not unreal? There's your little nub. How is it?
Dandy.
Huh. We're not suck the head people. Lobster tail. Here you go. 50-50. Go, friend. Let's get it in that butter. This butter is way good.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out Costco. Cheers, everyone watching. Maybe I haven't had lobster in a long time, but
What is this?
man, so good. I think I'm gonna reheat the butter. Fat cap's cooked. And a bunch of that butter. Give her a try. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Absolutely delicious. It's really cold though. I'm gonna house this down. And then probably get in the tent and get the fire going in there because it's really cold. It's super cold. We're gonna open up the tent, put the chairs in there, take this bin of wood, get in and get a fire going. After Eli puts his chair in there, will you show him the thermometer, show him how cold it is?
Yeah.
Woo!
32 in here, 21 outside.
Even colder. Even though it's winter and I get comments all the time, why are you putting the fire out? Force of habit. I think it's just responsible to put your fires out before you go to bed. There's 0 chance of a forest fire, but it's still a good idea. Let's get the truck, close it up, get in there and get warm.
Crawling through freaking spelunking.
Flint steel. Oh, my propane's frozen. All right, looks like we got fire going. Oh, sorry. Looks like we got the fire going. Now we'll check back in a few minutes. What did you say it was in here?
32?
32 in here, 20 outside. So we'll give it like a half hour. And I would guess it's going to be like at least 55, if not 60 in here. Which is going to be really nice. We'll see you then.
45 in here. Lovely. 18 outside. Bitter.
Just trying to get my boots to dry out. They got soaking wet earlier. I forgot my good winter boots.
Look at the freaking ground.
I think they're drying out. Good, my toes were freezing. Well, it's 15 outside, 58 in here. My boots are still wet, but they're slowly drying off. I finally have feeling in my feet again. It is 8 p.m. Good old hot tent camping, huh? Nothing to do for like 6 hours. We'll check back before bed. E-break. Look at that. It's 9 p.m. now. And we were really hungry and realized we didn't have any snacks. But luckily I keep MREs in my truck.
Bang.
So we'll see what kind of snacks we got in here. It's a Southwest beef and black bean. Hopefully there's anything else.
Hey, I'll take it.
Mocha cappuccino, tortillas and chipotle. There's your black bean, apple pieces and spiced sauce. Teriyaki beef stick. Let's go. Applesauce cake. Let's go. Cheese spread for the tortillas. Oh, they're chipotle tortillas.
What is that?
Give that quesadilla a try, fella. Good, huh?
I mean,
got applesauce cake.
apple slices, or apple pieces in spiced sauce.
Apple cake with apple slices.
That makes it like...
Oh my gosh.
That's a delicacy of the North. Oh.
Crazy good. All right, it's getting late. We're going to go to bed. Good night. Sorry, almost forgot. Temperature update. 12 outside, 63 in here. Yep. See you in the morning. Good morning. 23 outside, 40 in here.
It's cold.
It's very cold. Oh. Well, we were maybe going to do breakfast, but we don't have time. I got to get home and edit this, and Eli's got to get back, so we're going to pack it up and get on the road. Forgot my leather gloves for the stove, so we had to lift the tent over it, and we're cooling it off with snow.
Hot?
Yeah. Time to hit the road. Thanks for tuning into this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you made it all the way to the end and somehow you're still not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm on the road to 10K and that would be awesome. So yeah, I guess we'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.